phone call with this authority. It seems like um
Mhm.
kaitu kole bal ni gal tema.
Exactly. Wole fango mu diamo kungoti fam because menketa
Mhm.
birintol be bola Gambia itol ko molien be kari sabale kele janin nata. That was the contract.
Mhm.
But instead we spent 1 month in the Gambia before coming. Birintol nata nga only 2 months le do kujang.
Mhm.
And then being 2 months on in banta nata na aye kaito na fe na mole na employer ako pur nga sign but ayake in Spanish later because meta ka request ka tol man Spanish karang ni be kaito nati la mole karake in English but they insisted ika kaito nati mole into Spanish.
Mhm.
So I kaito men nati kaito do bije I indicate je control we request to terminate our contract. But in Tolmawoji, I work a title in Konotoli. It was just a small note, a short note, in fact, for that matter.
Mhm.
I would in a pay slip for in Konotoli, and in between something like a certificate.
Mhm.
So, but bring tolnga wo sign foka pare nata na nkono batunga nat dol kon batunga natal nga ki dol ye. So menye ma koy boy do bi je wo man tala no je lu men namba sign na. So boy la kayto nga woleta nga natal nga ki do ye bring wo ya jibe akonyo no you I told you people request to terminate your contract ko no we didn't request it. Ndo nana man kayti sa fe ka samba na employer ya ka fa ko we want to terminate our contract.
Mhm.
Nanaman delegates will indicate na employer ya pour ka faya ko we want to contaminate our contract. Okay, woto ate jumale kain to kom benna contract in terminate la. That's number one allegation and fault information he gave us.
Mhm.
So after we forwarded that same information, we forwarded to our Gambian consulate in Spain. So that they can step in, they didn't even take an action because they don't even communicate our contractor, our employer. We send the same document to Department of Labor, Melia Mola na process, and nothing was done. The only information we could get from them was like we should go home as far as our employer could mold the seller on Saturday.
Okay, ninga understand. Ale employer ale ko atela dogo albemin kala ja bandele sign. So akale ne ko abala contract ko terminate la but instead ay kaito min dia rolla abe safarin jele ko atolle request ke pour ka contract ko terminate but atol man Spanish le moy wala atinal daro sign.
Exactly. Instead, your contract has end. Instead of that, account a request to end our contract, to terminate our contract. You understand? So where Taramolia na permit, which is 4 years permit for na fingerprint or beke. We feel it does not make sense Purkata Gambia kanna kaito to koma. It's better we sit and wait for our document than going back to the Gambia because ninin karo ketale itol ko nin tol data Gambia nata sula ta mola aben kolla le nin nata nang ay na kaito dinna sila naman sula men na yalon wote kolla.
Okay, afalo le nyama isula ta momin ne be kolla le pour muru. Bare
na ni sula ta mola yalon ni ko man ni kadi moy ko nin sula ta lambe kolla woto afanan baje ko ni man sula na iten kolla.
Yeah.
And later, the same employer, ako, nimmen lafta kela kaito batu, isela kaito batu, but after Saturday, mote stela la campoto. So we all decided to leave his camp and go and live on our own to wait for our papers.
Okay, but already it only a fallen ne ko ita kaito dilala ponal murtanan gambeja ni sulatala yal kumandi o time wala albe kaito sotola so bara atola kamta to atol fanan ba fakan ne ko alte bola Spain na tara man kaito dial right.
No. After bidding, no, nga kaito dundile fonga na restore soto already. You understand? We make a finding from ala administration officer, ako, 28 will paretale. So they are going to book for pickup. The other 8 men to the out of the 36. wol after ni wol pare tam bite talale. So all of a sudden they change again and said we are going back to the Gambia. From there nin kaitol pareta nin tol murtana wi nganana kaitol ta, which is not even the case because kaitol ning itata talan 22 yala because you must put your fingerprint. How can you collect that document without my presence?
Okay. So but Fatule, ale masa kunda involved in this. Buying it all or somebody nale involved. It will be more.
We inform Department of Labor about the situation. We inform the consular, the embassy about the situation. But it all last time momented wrong, we should go home. No, we don't say we are not going home, but we need our document. I think the best idea it will nyanta menkela no woleng to extend na tiketo nyem pour ka extend ini nye diamu ye na tiketo nyem extend fo ngan na kaito tanga say. But if they don't want to negotiate that, I'll say, no, we cannot go home and leave our document here. If the embassy is saying it will be Kaito talent to yala, and then we make a finding that Kaito Nita do the mota tanola it a cola because Kaito you foil a fingerprint landi. So like it a ben Kaito tanola nyadi without my fingerprint.
Okay, I understand the point saying. So akamtele saying nga report min soro wala nyindi ko mo tan saba nyongol bota campo nyindole no albe dameng albe sabatiri non dameng. So is this to mo jamal bota jele?
Yes, more than saba anin clean ne bota je. No, okay, yes, more than saba anin clean ne bota je. An na boje wala nyindu ko na employer wala ko. Saturday ni menta Gambia ipesi la kela kaito batu isi funti ala kampoto you stay on your own for jani ibe la kaito sotola and we feel control benna kaito le batula so we have to leave his come and live on our own but ka foko mbortale pori.
Okay, so akamta mo lulu da mala be tuta je sign mo tan sabani kilim baraje.
Yes, no, more war or 6.
More 6, okay. All to the sign.
Wale to the sign. But then it will borrow memfo wale man soto because Nimbortanu we would have leave Spain completely clean. Nimbortanu we would not live next to our employer too. You understand? Because Mambori be siri na kanna kay tole but wanim boro manke kilindi because ninna employer nganna service safle fa banta completely.
Yeah, it's almost equals to Koalte Murana because these people are Nilba Fakaneko Fale Muruna Nisulata Layal Kumandale na Kaito Soto, Adolfanamba Fakaneko Nalman Kaito Soto, Alte Murla Gambia. So it equals Akamteleko is almost the same ko, Alte Murla Gambia because government Fanamba Fakale Nepuratole Murung, Gambia and Dwato Fanamba Insiskane. So it's almost ko Alte Murla.
No, it's not Conte Muruna. If they use it as Conte Muruna, they are judging the things wrongly because we're going back to the Gambia. And for Conte Muruna is not the same.
Okay. So for Nalma la Kairo Surabe Nalma Soto, for you will convince Nola Purale Murun without la Kairo.
This is what we told them. Nakaito wale sijang.
Okay.
Silang example, let us take it this way. Nita lafta dunnel bonkono, yela chabo to ko, maybe dunnel bonkono.
I need to know.
Fine. This is because ndolta nala jang ngasangi nani kaito so iko nganna sangi nani kaito to ko mangata Gambia. Be munakala wala. And secondly, they put a lot of allegation on us. Birin tol nata jang force. The minister himself, Juf, was at the National Assembly. Na conditional la membita. Ako birin tol bebola Gambia, we were given 1,000 euro each for our pocket money, which is a blatant lie. No token was given to us for pocket money. This means they are putting problem between us and our family. Because it is not an angel, Imam Koditu ila Musopulu, Imam Koditu ila brother Pulu, family BJ, your brother was taking care of the family. So not a moy aka asamura ko okay, nyindunga tata le kododia, I work kodo besamba, I entered the map to jambe struggle, whilst it's not true, Imam Koditi mola.
So Cabrato Kara Spain, there was nothing giving to you like money.
Birin told Bebola Gambia dol ning konkole botanan Gambia airport and we don't eat until the following day.
So
Birin nata fan the employer le mol don to kodola nga wole ta ko domoro sang.
So, but what is the working condition there, Cabral Frada? Aldoku Nyalje and then Allah relationship animal and Alkadoko Kenumile. Was it good or bad?
It was not actually, I cannot say it call it good because honey break, we don't even have break in our working condition. We work complete 8 good hours without break.
That's serious.
Meaning ni wuta somanda yeta do ko ita do moro kala fo muruna ninna ta janim tol ben na tabiro kala fo ngapa aka ke 7 o'clock ura rolti o time len ka do moro ke.
Wow. So all right, I'm sorry, you're going to listen to it. What are you going to tell them? Like I think Gambian or Milbat, all of them are Milbal American.
No, we want them to be very clear because what happened? So many allegations have been said. Biri nata jan they give us free accommodation. Wo fana manke tonyati. Ndol kan na bungo jole. You understand? Because every month, 2 months on a men doko wadi dok sono beka bondi jele na bungo ka bondi jele. Nka jio membing akabondi na kododo. Ye moto men di mola ala fuelo ka bondi na kododo. You understand? Nka domoro fangoye, ntolle ka domoro sam fangoye. Nka kurango jo. Hani kamo, nka kamatake men na we pay everything. So, ning government be sila if we are giving everything free. Without telling us to find out.
So
Ani dokura nka do.
Go ahead. Equally dokura.
Ani dokura nka fengol men do na samatol whatever we buy them, we bought them from our own money. Nothing was provided. Na manke glofte. Dokudula to glof anila sisol cotton ani nafo yewole di mon.
So akamta ni masa kunda ko ale free accommodation ne soro alla kodo ikal jomin na to leta ebe wala fakan non before albita so alma wataraji.
Not even need you go far amanke tonyati you can membe for wanted tonyati no free accommodation no free feeding nothing is free for us there.
Interesting. Jandimbe bulala ale mung other difficulty le soro natara you remember any other thing Jandimbe bulala.
When we was coming, we faced a lot of difficulties because from the airport we don't even eat up to Spain, up to Barcelona till the following day. Concobina Molfal, and therefore I have to communicate to Department of Labor for a second trip or Menkana, let them prepare because the more tailor fit will play no con.
Okay, yeah, some of special flight level.
Yes, yeah, some flight lale for boiling number something like yes, boiling.
Okay.
But with different 2 trip leng first trip or natalen told nim konkole for that second trip we communicated them ko ni membe na hani is better you buy your own food because you want to konkole be fala for frana jang and you will not eat till the following day ala nate dema itol yataran tol ngada samo tabi wo be lore biri nata ye wala domo.
Right, so because it will be me no accommodation and in domorol abi mu free letinal franaji ar kodonying al omo altaleti. So but sign thing akanta atol be accommodation o jokande nung altaradula and even domorol and moto milbal sambala fuelo albe o fango jokande no. So sign foibal jokande nung kodo e nyantal jola minna.
Kodo yalon they reported ko nkajole nun 1,500 euro.
Yes.
It's not true because we are working 8 hours per day and every hour we are paid 8 euro. We work 5 days in a week. Never calculate is going to give you 1,280 euros. Niman tax bondije. Ne tax ning other expenditure be bondije. Understand? So we have to force ourselves to work for overtime on Saturday. Nimma work in defense.
That's clear.
So meaning these people come and report to the Gambia is all volunteers lie.
Right.
I am feeling they are putting us in problem with our families instead of helping us. It's very interesting, very complicated and funny, in fact.
All right. Finally, whatever you want to say, like to the government or people that are listening.
Si même for no drong wolen let the government understand ko ndol mambori and then let the Gambians understand ko mambori mbesiri na kanna kaytol batu ndenna bunda chabo tula ko mangata ngalo na bunda ton ko mbe bunda yele la wota kela no. We must go with our key nim futata nganna bunda yele ngadum killing fulanyango mlafta même for la government wala nyimtuko it all this arrangement yo kele no pour ka foko ibe unemployment rate ñin ne talala and don't this illegal migration ilafta wala talala but with this condition imantara unemployment rate talakan imantara on illegal migration talakan because niaju be nin tol tata murunta Gambia dol bije wor resign ta yela do ko bula biri kanaja dol yela contract ko le bula biri kanana jang ni murunta meaning they have to start searching for job again sila wo unemployment rate ko ibe men talakan is still increasing but not decreasing.
All right, thank you so much. Yetodu.
Tijan Diba.
Tijan Diba, I tell me team leader.
Exactly, yeah.
All right, thank you so much, Tijan.